Hey everyone, it's your girl Nikki Michelle and welcome back to my channel. I am long overdue for this video here. This is a step-by-step of how I get my hair red, and I recorded it like 3 weeks ago. Shame on me, I know. You don't have to drag me in the comments. I know. Anyway, so I can't even like show you the ending results because I have my hair up in this bun, and as you can see, my roots are already coming through. But I guarantee you, not guarantee you, I promise you that I will do a part 2. This will be this will be continued. I need to get it together. It's late. Okay, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm tired, and I gotta get up and go to work in the morning. Okay, so just bear with me. Okay. So, anywho, yes, so this will be a part 2 to this video. I will show you my hair down, how it looks, because like I said, you really can't see with my hair up in this bun. But I definitely wanted to get this intro recorded and get this video out to you guys, because I said like a month ago that I would show you how I get my hair this bright ass red. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the products that we're going to be using today is the L'Oreal Techniques Hicolor Hilights in the color red. The one I use here, red. Also, I use the Salon Care. I got mine at Sally's. I use a 30 volume developer. You are going to have your mixing bowl, and I use a little whisk that I purchased at Sally's to mix my hair color, and also your hair, I guess this is like a hair paintbrush, I'm not sure, but you know, it's the, and I also have this cup here. This is what I measure my developer in. I mean, you don't have to get this, I don't know. I'm just very particular when it comes to things. I just want to make sure everything is done right, especially when I'm dyeing my hair red, because, yeah, it's not like it's black or brown, like it's red, okay? So, anyways, also you are going to want to wear a shirt that you don't care about. Me, I just have this black tee on because this red dye stains like a mother, okay? Any little speck, it's going to stain the shit out of whatever. So like, I have my bathroom sink like lined with a black towel. I have a towel on the floor. I also use gloves, and since I have long nails right now, I'm gonna double my gloves up. But like, I have a bunch of gloves here. So now, oh, and also I went ahead and I already parted my hair into 4 sections, as you can see. And I also put Vaseline around the base, like around my forehead, around my ears, the back of my neck, because like I said, this, you will be scrubbing in the shower with this red hair dye, okay? So now let's get on to the mixing. So I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Techniques Hicolor. The tube looks like this. And I'm just doing my roots. Usually I need 2 of these to do my full head, but I am just going to touch up my roots, and also I am going to use the Color Brilliance Intensive Shine in red. This is just to touch up this part of my hair. I don't need to re-dye everything. This is going to add the red back in, and this here is going to turn my roots back red. So yeah, I only need 1 of these to do my roots. Again, I would usually use 2, and I will need 2 of these, like I said, to cover the remainder of my hair here. Let's braid my hair straight, so the braid wants to come out faster. So anywho, we're going to start the mixing process now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on, because even mixing this, like I said, a splash, a dot of red get on you and you're fucked, okay? Like, this shit is gonna be on you for a week. I'm not even over exaggerating. And when I wash my hair, I don't even wash it in my shower because of like the way my tub is and it's white. I go downstairs in my kitchen. I got 2 sinks down there. The double sinks, and they're both stainless steel. So now I'm going to take this and we're gonna squeeze it right in here, okay? You're gonna squeeze it right in your mix. Next, it says to measure 2.4 fluid ounces of developer for every tube. So I am going to go ahead. So I am right up underneath like 2.5, okay? Like 2.4, 2.5, it's not gonna make, it's not a big deal. So then I am going to add that in here. Then I take my little whisk and we're going to mix. By the time you're done, it should look like this. It's so pretty. Okay. So now, once that's mixed, next, I am going to start with my sections. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna take apart this one here. I'll start on this side. Look at how dull that looks. That's really dull. And my roots, as you can see, are really dark. So I'm just gonna take it here, hit those roots up. And you'll see it start turning red. You won't see it right away, but trust me, I used to use, I think it was Rave, and that shit bled so much. Ridiculous. And then I had to dye my hair, not dye, I had to bleach my hair and then dye it red. With this one, you only add the developer and it will lift medium to dark hair within like an hour. It will lift it up. So after I do that, next I just part a little section like this. And I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a professional. This is how I dye my hair. This may not work for everyone else. Make sure you ask your stylist before you do anything that you're unsure of. I've been doing my own hair for as long as I can remember. I don't trust anyone to dye my hair, cut my hair, do anything. So I do everything myself. Now, don't get me wrong. I'll go get my hair braided or some track sewed in, or I never got a frontal or anything, but I will let someone do something like that to my hair. But when it comes to cutting my hair and dyeing my hair, no. I'd rather be mad at myself than be mad at someone else for fucking me up. I did not wash my hair before I started this process because you want all your natural oils and everything else that's supposed to protect your scalp to be in your hair. And if you do wash it, wait at least 24 to 48 hours before you start the dyeing process. Just the roots. Here's the first section. I got just my roots. I'll get to this when I'm finished. See how the Vaseline just wiped that away when I don't mind this. Don't mind that. But I'll touch this up. Sometimes I have to take my finger and get it for my sideburns and everything else, but we'll get to that at the end. On to the next side, on to the next side. Next, after I have did all of my roots, I am going to gonna put on a new set of gloves. I had to take my gloves off. Gonna put a new set of gloves on. And now I usually let my dye stay in for about 40 minutes to an hour. I'll usually put a shower cap on top of it, because you know they say when you put a bag or a shower cap over it, it holds the heat in and it helps it like develop faster, like it'll change faster, process faster, I should say. So I usually do that. And I'm gonna touch my sideburns up there too. Next, we're going to go in with the Color Brilliance, the Ion Color Brilliance Brights in Red. These are my 2 boxes I have here. I need to, because like I said, this is for the rest of my hair. And usually when I dye my hair, I use 2 of the L'Oreal. This is how they look. As you can see, my bowl is completely empty. I put it all over my roots. Even if you have some product left in there, it's okay. If you don't use all of your dye, it's okay. Even if it's just a little. I just happen to be messing around and I just put it everywhere. But even if you have a little, it's okay to still add this, even with a little bit still left in your bowl. Now, this is what it looks like. This has shimmers in it. It's like metallic. It is so pretty. So this is just gonna give my hair bring it back that red, that shine. So you do not have to add developer in this. You just mix it. I don't know if you can see, it's shimmery. It's really shimmery. And then what I do is, after I mix it some, I'm not even going to section it this time. Now I just take pieces, just random pieces like this, and I will literally just brush it on there, like saturate it on there. Saturate a little piece and just run it all through, just like that. And you will have some leftover, so with the leftover you can just like run it all through your hair just to make sure you got every piece. With any extra dye that I have left over, I like to just apply it all over my hair. I mean, why waste any when we can utilize it? After I do that, I just make sure I massage it really, really, really well. I rub it in, I massage it into my scalp, all the way to the ends of my hair, and make sure I really get into all the nooks and crannies. Now I'll let this sit on my hair for about 40 minutes to an hour. I will put a shower cap over it. If I don't have a shower cap, because I get the disposable ones, the clear ones, I will put a plastic bag on it and do whatever, sit around, watch some TV, watch some YouTube. After I let it sit for 40 minutes to an hour, I will rinse my hair, and you want to rinse it in cool water. I cannot stress this enough. cool water, peoples, okay? Not hot, not warm, cool. Because if you wash it out in warm or hot water, it makes the color come out. When you wash it out or rinse it out with cool water, it won't bleed as much. I don't know what the cool water does, but the red won't bleed as much. And I never, ever, 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 and I can't tell you the last time I have, but I don't shampoo my hair. And some people might say, oh, well, that's dirty, or your hair is not clean, or whatever. Listen, if you Google it, it's a thing called conditioning. I don't know. I'll get back to you guys with that. That'll be another video. But I strictly only condition my hair because to me, the shampoo strips out your natural oils, and I just don't like it. I don't like that brittleness, that dryness. My hair is already a frizzy mess, and I just don't have time for it. So I only condition my hair. So once I finish rinsing out all my color and make sure it's out really well, I will deep condition my hair, and I'll condition it, rinse it out again, and then I'll condition it a second time. And when I condition it the second time, I leave conditioner in it, and I have like a conditioning treatment that I put in it, and I will show you guys in a sec which conditioning treatment I use for my hair. As a matter of fact, I already have my conditioner here. My conditioner here. I use the Garnier Whole Blends Avocado with Shea Butter Extract. This is the conditioner I use. And when I tell you I drown my hair with conditioner, I have to get like 4 bottles at one time, because I'll use a good half a bottle of this in one sitting. As you can see, it's a little empty. It's time to re-up. So yeah, and then I also use the Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. Like I said, when I do that second conditioning and I leave a little bit of conditioner in my hair, I will put this in my hair. They also have like a color, one for color too. I use that sometimes, but I like the coconut extract in this one. So yeah, but there you have it as far as me touching up my red head. But I highly, highly, highly recommend using the brands that I use, because like I said, every other brand that I've used for dyeing my hair red, it made it bleed on my clothes, bleed on my pillowcases, on my coat. It just damn bleeds, okay? And this one, surprisingly, it doesn't. So comment down below. Let me know the techniques you use, the products you use. I want to know your do's, your don'ts. I'm always down for trying new things, trying new products. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any more of my upcoming videos. Please, guys, let me know. What do you want to see? What's the next video you want me to put out? What's something that you thought I could have showed you and didn't show you? Yeah, so comment down below and let me know. So until next time, guys, see you later.